Dimension and measures are one of the basic and important data concepts. To analyze data and to create something useful from it, it is important for you to know these concepts. First, let us talk about dimensions. Dimension is a data set that determines how the data is grouped. It is used to filter data and it represents descriptive entities. It is used to categorize measures. It can be measured hierarchical variables, for example region, country, area, district, etc. Coming to the next slide, we can see a spreadsheet in which the data is divided into different tables. Each column heading tells us about what the column contains. In this spreadsheet, you can see the table of product ID and customer ID. They are descriptive entities and they tell us about the quantity of which product is sold and to whom. Now let's talk about the measures. Well, measures are numeric that are result of some sort of calculation, often aggregations, such as sum, count or average. For example, margin, sales, quantity, profit, etc. In the next slide, we can see the example of measures. For the previous spreadsheet, where there is a table of sales, discount and profits being selected, well, the table of sales gives us the count of sales, discount and profit are selected. Well, the table of sales gives the count of products sold, discount which is calculated from the original price and profit which is calculated from the original price and profit which is calculation of selling price and cost price. This gives us the basic idea about dimension and measures. There are many uses of dimension and measures. Dimensions and measures can together be used in creating visualization such as graphs, maps, tree maps. A visualization must contain at least one measure and one dimension, mostly both and sometimes more than one dimension or measure. I hope this video gives a clear idea about what dimension and measures are, and if you have any doubts, then write them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Thanks.